Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert serial numbers automatically in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're managing inventory, tracking orders, or organizing any type of data that needs consistent numbering. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to insert serial numbers automatically. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. This will take you directly into the Google Sheets interface where we'll be working. Now, let's say you have a spreadsheet with columns for product names and IDs, and you need to insert serial numbers. The first thing you'll do is click on the cell where you want your first serial number to appear. This is typically in the column next to your ID or product column. In that cell, type equals text, open parenthesis. Next, click on the ID cell that you want to reference. After clicking the cell, add a comma. Now, here's where you control the format of your serial number. Type 5 zeros inside double quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets to format your number with leading zeros. So instead of just 1, you'll get something like 0001. Close the formula with the closing parenthesis and hit enter. This creates a nicely formatted serial number that maintains consistent digit length across all your entries. But what if you want to add a prefix to your serial numbers? Maybe you want them to start with letters like TL for tracking purposes. No problem. Click on the cell with your formula again to edit it. Right after the equal sign, type your desired prefix, for example TL, inside double quotation marks. Then add an ampersand symbol, which acts as a connector in Google Sheets. Hit the Enter key to apply the change. Now your serial number will display as something like TL00001, which looks much more professional and organized. Here's the best part. You don't have to manually enter this formula for every single row. Once you've set up the formula in the first cell, look for the small blue circle that appears in the bottom right corner of that cell. Click on it and drag it downwards across all the rows where you need serial numbers. Google Sheets will automatically apply the formula and adjust the numbers sequentially as you drag. This saves you tons of time and ensures every entry gets a unique, properly formatted serial number. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automatic serial numbers in Google Sheets that are formatted exactly how you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.